Hey guys, Tate here. In this video I'm going to show you how to get into a one-arm peacock. Now it is difficult, but it's a little bit easier than you think. It's pretty fun to play with, but it's thinking more about lengthening everything out, find as much reach out through the legs and the arm rather than being super strong. So to find this balance, in peacock, right, you can always set your fingers back, or you can set your fingers towards the side depending on your anatomy or depending on what feels better in your wrist. But for the one-arm peacock, we're going to have to turn the wrist out, the fingers out toward the side. So with my right hand down, my right fingers are going to face the side of the mat. I'm then going to draw my elbow in a little bit further than peacock, so really towards the center. I'm going to plant just below my lower ribs, kind of into the abs here. My legs are going to go mat width distance. My left hand is going to be straight out from my nose. It's not going to be over to the left. It's not going to be over to the right. Straight out from the nose. And then from here, I'm going to lean a little bit forward to get my legs lifted. Carry energy out through the legs, extend through the arms, and the more energy through the legs, the more energy through the arms, the more balance I'll be able to find. So you just continue to reach and stretch, find this balance, because as soon as the knees bend, as soon as the arm bends, the body wants to drop. So think more about lengthening out, chest forward. You still want the chest broad. You want to engage your glutes, your quads, your shins by spreading your toes and reaching out through the toes. So give it a go, it's fun. You might fall on your face, you might not stick it. Just have fun with it, it's just yoga. Laugh at yourself. Namaste.